If you've ever wondered whether cracking your neck is bad for you, doctors say it depends.
Cracking your neck is fine as long as you do it infrequently and without great force. It's kind of like anything in life, a little bit is fine, but too much can be a bad thing.
Yeah, don't use great force with that. This is Cleveland Clinic neurosurgeon Dr. Deborah Benzel. She says cracking your neck or back too frequently or with too much force can cause joint instability, pinch nerves, and other injuries. She says instead, you can relieve tension in other ways, like doing strengthening exercises and stretches. She also encourages good posture, especially if you have an office job.
If you're working at a keyboard that's down here, you're forcing yourself to be forward. But if you're working with your chair at the right height and with your equipment at the right height, it's going to help you be in the position that's best for you.
How many of us sat up just now, right? Now, she also adds those regularly experiencing neck or back pain should check in with their doctor to find out what is causing that pain.